Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Evans Gene from ERN Consulting Group, LLC. Hope all is well with you. Um, and I'm here to talk about the Corporate Transparency Act. And we're going to get uploaded right now for you. It's very simple. Again, I'm the principal consultant with Earn Consulting Group. Welcome to my YouTube page. Please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more information. A little bit about myself. I was in the banking industry for about 20 years. Recently left the banking industry about 2 years ago, doing this my own business, Earn Consulting Group, and also I'm in ministry as well too. So please subscribe, support this channel, and again, welcome to this channel. We're going to be talking about the Corporate Transparency Act. Corporate Transparency Act. Many businesses, if you have a small business, you need to hear this. All right, please with share with others as well too. So what is it? So beneficial ownership information reporting requirements stem from the Corporate Transparency Act, also known as the CTA. It is part of the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2020. So this is nothing new for the banking industry. When you go open in a business account at the bank, they will ask you who are the beneficial owners of the business. Basically, they want to know who owns more than 15% or more than 25% of the business, or whatever percentage they require. Okay. So this is nothing new in the banking side, but now Congress has said, you know what, we're going to make this um, required for all businesses. So which companies have to file beneficial ownership report? Again, domestic reporting companies have to file for um, beneficial ownership. These are corporations, limited liabilities, LLCs, and other entities created by filing with a Secretary of State or similar office under the law of a state or or an Indian tribe. Now, if you have a foreign reporting company, these are like corporations, LLCs, and other entities formed under the law of a foreign country that are registered to do business as in the United States or tribal jurisdiction. Okay, so this is so important that you understand that pretty much all business owners need to file for beneficial ownership. Okay. So a beneficial owner, what is a beneficial owner? Beneficial owner is directly or indirectly exercises substantial control over a company. So basically what they're saying is like if you control more than 25% of the company's ownership, you are a beneficial owner of that company. Okay. Anyone that owns or controls 25% or more of a company's interest are considered a beneficial owner. Okay. So what is the time frame for beneficial ownership reporting? Companies created or registered to do business before January 1st, 2024 will have until January 1st, 2025 to file their initial beneficial ownership. So if your business was created before January 1st, 2024, you have pretty much a year to file this. Listen, I don't want you to wait until December 31st to do this. Don't do it. Do it right away, because it's very simple to do. It's not going to take up your time. Please do this right away. Don't wait till the last minute to do it. Companies created now or registered after January 1st. Now, if you um, create a business or registered after January 1st, 2024, you have 90 days to file a beneficial ownership report. Okay, 90 days. So don't wait till the last minute to do it. Once you create your business with the state, go ahead and do that right away. Okay, go ahead and do it right away. Don't wait until the last minute. Now, what information do companies need to include a beneficial ownership report? They're going to ask you several questions. You're going to need your legal name, any trade names or DBAs or doing business as names, the current street address or its principal place of business in the US. They're going to need to know where is your business registered. Okay. They're going to need the tax identification number of the business, also known as the EIN number. So you need to have that. They're going to need the beneficial owner's information, the name, date of birth. They're going to need their address of all beneficial owners of the company. And also, they're going to need some type of form of ID, a non expired form of ID. It could be a driver's license, a passport. You're going to have to upload this into the system when you're doing this. So, if you are the one who's going to do it on behalf of the company, you need to get everyone's information and submit and get their information and submit that information. Okay. So please, you're going to have to upload it. You can't bypass that whatsoever. So basically, there's a summary of how it looks. They're going to ask you for business name, business address, jurisdiction. They're going to ask you the EIN number, also known as the taxpayer identification number. They're going to ask you about the owner personal information, and they're going to ask you to provide a unique number um, form of identification that is non-expired. Okay. Why is beneficial ownership reporting being introduced? In a nutshell, is to prevent money laundering. Okay. There are many companies out there that are creating shell accounts to hide money. So Congress is saying enough is enough. They want to prevent this from happening. Okay. So beneficial ownership reporting is an effort to help prevent money laundering and other financial crimes by requiring those with control over businesses or legal entities to provide identifying information. Okay. So, how will beneficial ownership reporting take place? Basically, businesses will report beneficial ownership information to FinCEN, all right, electronically. You can't fill out, print out paper and mail it out. You have to do it electronically through a secure filing system on FinCEN's website. So basically, you go to FinCEN's website and you file for this information. You submit all the information that they're requiring. So FinCEN does not charge a fee. All right. They don't charge a fee whatsoever. FinCEN has stated it will not charge a fee for companies submitting beneficial ownership reports. They don't charge a fee whatsoever. Okay. Because what they're requiring you to fill out is very simple. All right. As long as you have all the information together, it's very simple. You go to FinCEN's website and you're good to go. So, what are the penalties now for non-compliance with the beneficial ownership rule? Here's what's being said: businesses not complying with beneficial ownership information reporting requirements can face stiff penalties. Now, they're saying that there could be a subject to a fine of $500 per day or up to a maximum of $10,000 per day. Let's avoid that. Let's not play with the government. Just do it right away. Okay. All right. Do it right away. Don't fall into this category whatsoever. If you're an existing business, you have until January 1st, 2025 to do this, but I suggest you do it right away. If you filed, if you're a new business that since January 1st, 2024, thereafter, what you need to do, you have 90 days to file for that. Okay, 90 days. Okay, to do that right away. So there are some companies that are exempt from this. All right, the Congress have issued at least 23 companies that are exempt for this. Banks, of course, are exempt from this. Credit unions, government authorities, and the list goes on and on. Money, service businesses, public utilities, um, tax exempt entities like churches. If you're a 501c3 um, organization, you are exempt from this. You don't have to do anything whatsoever. You don't have to go on there to say, hey, I'm exempt. No, you don't have to do anything if you are on the list of these 23 companies. All right. So I would say contact your accountant or your tax professional to make sure that you're in line with this. Okay. Is there a requirement to annually report beneficial ownership information at this time? No, there is no annual reporting requirement, but listen here. If there are any changes within the beneficial ownership, you must update it or correct any BOI reports as needed. So if there's any change to the required information about your company or its beneficial owners and a beneficial ownership information, you need to update that with FinCEN. Okay. So let's say for example, you have, two members in your LLC, and one of them decide, one of them decide to not be partake in the business again anymore. You need to You're going to remove them, and also you need to report that with fencing as well too. All right. Um, so if you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out. Again, it's Earn Consulting Group. We're here to help your business grow. My name is Evans, the principal consultant with Earn Consulting Group. My email is there, evans.gene@earnconsultinggroup.com. Go on our website, www.ernconsultinggroup.com. Please, if you need assistance with this, reach out to us. We're here to help you. And again, it is simple to fill out. You just have to just make sure you have everything in place. Again, thank you for your time. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, and then have a great day. God bless.